Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. If you have been struggling with your Xbox controller feeling off lately, like tiny movements aren't registering properly, you are not alone. A recent Xbox firmware update version 5.23.5.0 seems to have messed up the analog stick dead zones, and it's making precision aiming a nightmare in games like Call of Duty and Apex Legends. A bunch of users on Reddit have been complaining about this. Some say micro movement feel unresponsive, while others report that their aiming is now unpredictable. If you play shooters, you know how frustrating this can be. And it's not just a few people. This issue is being widely reported across different communities. Thankfully, Microsoft is aware of the problem and is working on a fix. But in the meantime, if you have an old Xbox or Elite controller, this is what you can do. Well, if you haven't installed the problematic update, then delay the update. Or if you have installed the update, just roll back to the older version of firmware for controller. I don't have the Xbox controller, so I won't be able to demonstrate the process, but I have written step-by-step instructions on how to do that, so check this blog post. In case you own Xbox Series X and S controller, then there is a bad news for you as there is no way to downgrade. That means you will have to wait for the Microsoft to release a fix. I hope this helps. Whenever I get more update on this issue, I will keep you in the loop. So that's all for this video. And if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.